Hello, everybody. Good morning. This is our last week of science classes, and we are going to be reviewing weather. So today we're going to be measuring, recording, and predicting changes in weather. This is your work for the week. This is the last work that we will have out of the science packet. So if you need to pause the video right here and write this down, this will also be in the Google Drive later today, but here you go if you need to go ahead and look at that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with vocabulary first. Our first vocabulary word is the word weather. And weather is the current condition of the air outdoors, such as temperature, cloud cover, wind speed, and rainfall. Climate is the average weather conditions for a region year after year. Prediction is a statement about what you think will happen based on what you know. A warm front, and that is the boundary where a warm air mass replaces a cold air mass. A cold front, and that's the boundary where a cold air mass replaces a warm air mass. A wind vane, that is a tool that shows wind direction. A thermometer is a tool that measures temperature. A rain gauge is a tool that measures the amount of rainfall. And those are our vocabulary words. All right, so we did discuss weather at the beginning of the year. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit a few of the main points, and that is about it for today. So you're sitting in class when suddenly a loud siren sounds through the school. The siren means a tornado. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, just choked on my spit. The siren means a tornado is coming. You and your classmates move into the hallway away from windows and loose objects and wait for the storm to pass. How do people know a tornado is coming? Scientists use special tools to collect information about the weather on Earth. These tools help scientists predict many kinds of weather, from tornadoes to sunshine and calm breezes. What are some of the tools that scientists use, and how do scientists use these tools to predict the weather? The way the air on Earth looks and feels at a certain time and place is called weather. If someone asked you for today's weather, you might tell them how cold it is outside. You might tell them how fast the wind is blowing. These are ways of describing how the air looks and feels. Read about 3 special tools that scientists use to track and predict weather. So the first one is a windsock. We've talked about those. The second one is a rain gauge. And our third tool is a thermometer, which we all know how that works. Okay, another tool you can use to measure how fast the wind is blowing is an anemometer. If you remember, we made these in science club, and we attempted to take them outside. It was kind of a fail, but we made them. Okay, so weather and climate are not the same thing. Weather changes every day. It might be rainy today and be sunny tomorrow, especially here in Dallas, y'all. Climate describes patterns of weather over a long period of time in an area. To describe climate, a person might say that an area has very hot, dry summers. They would not describe the different kinds of weather on each day of the summer. Your weather is just what is happening on that particular day. So if you want to learn a little bit about a meteorologist, they do talk about what that is, and an example of one right here. Okay, we've done this in class together before. If you want an extra little activity to do on weather, you can do this right here. And this is actually pretty fun to do. You could do it with your mom and dad or brother and sister, whoever you want. Okay, and that is it for today, y'all. So here's your homework one more time. I'm gonna leave this here and end the video here. If y'all have any questions for me, please message me, email me, text me as usual, and I will answer them as quickly as I can. You guys have a great Monday. Bye, y'all. Miss you guys. Love y'all.